Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Sellvia, one of the most top dropshipping platforms for beginner in 2025. If you're thinking about starting an online store or want an easier way to manage products and shipping, this tutorial and review will help you understand what Sellvia brings to the table. Sellvia stands out for its user-friendly setup and fast shipping items. Especially if you're targeting customers in the US, it offers a large catalog of ready-to-sell products you can import directly into your Shopify store with just a few clicks. This means no hassle with supplier or inventory management. The platform also handles order fulfillment. So once a customer buys from your store, Sellvia takes care of packing and shipping, which frees up to your focus on marketing and growing your business. One of the big pros of Sellvia is fast delivery times. Most orders reach customers within 1 up to 3 days, which is a huge advantage compared to many other dropshipping services. Plus, Sellvia provides a quality control to reduce issues like damaged products or delayed shipments. On the downside, Sellvia is most US focused, so if your audience is international, shipping might take longer or cost more. Also, product vary is not wide as some global dropshipping platforms, but it covers popular niches as well. Overall, Sellvia is a great choice if you want a simple, reliable dropshipping platform with fast shipping and beginner-friendly features in 2025. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this helped you to get started with Sellvia, please like, leave your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and platform reviews. Catch you in the next video.